Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix PPT PowerPoint file is not opening in Windows 10 or 11. So to resolve this issue, right click on your PowerPoint file. Then here guys you have to click on properties. Now here check this box unblock. The file came from another computer and might be blocked to help protect this computer. So just check this box unblock, then click on apply, then here click on OK. Now restart your system. So this way guys you can fix and resolve PPT file not opening in Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos, and please comment this method worked for you or not.